We're going to do this final song. We done it this morning, and they said the music wasn't loud enough or something. Try it again. Amen. There's a lighthouse on the hillside, and it overlooks life's sea. And when I'm tossed, it still sends out a light, light that I might see. And the light that shines in the darkness now will safely lead me home. And if it wasn't for the lighthouse, my ship would say no more. Everybody that lives around us, they say, why don't you tear your lighthouse down? You know the big ships don't sail this way anymore. Ain't no use of it standing around. And my mind goes back to that stormy night when just in time I saw a light from that old lighthouse, and it still stands up there on the hill. And I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone a light around me that I could clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, where would this ship be? If it wasn't for the lighthouse, where would this ship be?